Hello student, in this video I am showing to you 10th class chemistry experiment chapter 1st chemical reaction and chemical equation. I am going to perform these activities. Watch carefully, these are very important for exam point of view. Your first activity is burning of magnesium ribbon. Student, this is magnesium ribbon. It burns in presence of oxygen and produce magnesium oxide. Before burning, we will rub it with sandpaper and rub object. So I am rubbing this. If you don't rub the magnesium ribbon, it will burn slowly. Now cut a piece of magnesium ribbon and hold it with the help of tongue and heat with the spirit lamp. Now what will happen? You can see it burn with shining flame and produce magnesium oxide powder. You can observe shining flame and white color powder in the china dish. Now adding to it few drops of water, make the solution aqueous. Now this is magnesium hydroxide solution, magnesium oxide plus water, magnesium hydroxide solution, and we all know metal oxide are basic in nature. So I am डिप द रेड लिटमस पेपर, दिस इज रेड लिटमस पेपर, इसको डिप कर रहे हैं हम मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में. मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बेस है तो रेड लिटमस टर्न ब्लू. यू कैन सी इट विल टर्न ब्लू इन कलर. So we have proved here metal oxide are basic in nature because red litmus turn blue in color, and this is the basic solution of magnesium hydroxide. Clear? Second activity is heating of ferrous sulfate. This is ferrous sulfate, light green in color. Ferrous sulfate light green in color. Take few crystal in a test tube and heat the ferrous sulfate. What will happen? FeSO4 7H2 फॉर्मूला होता है फेरस सल्फेट का. जब इसको हीट करते हैं तो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड ट्राइऑक्साइड विल बी रिलीज ड्यूरिंग हीटिंग and some water vapors evaporate from the crystal of ferrous sulfate because the ferrous sulfate contains 7 molecule of water. 7 molecule water के होते हैं इसमें, जिसके कारण इसका कलर ग्रीन होता है. Whenever we heat the ferrous sulfate, it will turn white in color. You can see some vapors are coming out from the test tube. These are the vapors of sulfur dioxide and trioxide, and color of the salt become white due to anhydrous ferrous sulfate. Anhydrous हो गया, इसमें वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लॉस हो गए. टेस्ट ट्यूब पे देख सकते हैं आप वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. Our third activity is heating of lead nitrate. This is lead nitrate. I am going to heating this lead nitrate. Observe, it will produce crackling sound just like popcorn. Heard the sound? and yellow vapors of lead oxide will be produced mixed with nitrogen dioxide and trioxide. You can see lead oxide गैस है येलो कलर की, रेडिश ब्राउन यू कैन सी, और डार्क येलो. हीटिंग ऑफ लेड नाइट्रेट, रेडिश ब्राउन गैस निकलती है लेड ऑक्साइड की, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ट्राइऑक्साइड भी निकलता है इसमें से, मिक्स होती है इसके साथ में. Now next experiment is zinc metal with हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. दिस इज जिंक मेटल, शाइनिंग कलर का होता है. इसको मिक्स करेंगे हम हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ. टेक स्मॉल पीस ऑफ जिंक मेटल, मिक्स विथ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. It will take few minutes. Now heat. You can see lot of bubbles are coming from at the mouth of test tube. Now this is hydrogen gas. How will we check? Put the burning splinter near the mouth of test tube. It will burn pop sound. Okay student, lot of hydrogen gas are coming from, you can see, at the mouth of test tube, and this is also exothermic reaction. After some time I will check the temperature of this reaction. Next is displacement reaction, copper sulfate with iron fillings. This is iron fillings. I am taking test tube. Okay, and now adding to it copper sulfate solution. What will happen? Observe carefully. Black iron filling turn after some time into reddish brown color due to deposition of copper in it. You can see it will take few minutes. Now you can compare with original copper metal with test tube. These are depositing and these are original copper metal. After some time, color of the solution become light green due to formation of ferrous sulfate. फेरस सल्फेट पहले देख चुके हैं, लाइट ग्रीन कलर का होता है. अब आप देख सकते हैं इसका सोल्यूशन आयरन फिलिंग का कलर टोटली रेडिश ब्राउन हो गया है, बिकॉज आयरन इज मोस्ट रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर. सो आयरन डिस्प्लेस कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. I'm showing to you. This is sodium sulfate and this is barium chloride. Both are colorless. Now what will happen? White color PPT of barium sulfate is formed. BaSO4 plus Na2SO4 plus BaCl, BaSO4 plus NaCl, and color of the solution become colorless after some time, just like this. These are the precipitate of barium sulfate and the color of solution colorless due to formation of sodium chloride. Now the next reaction is endothermic reaction. This is ammonium chloride we are taking, and this is barium hydroxide. I am taking in a test tube, adding to it ammonium chloride, now mix few drop water to make solution. It is an example of endothermic reaction. Test tube become cool. Now I am checking the temperature. Now temperature this time is 15 degree. Now I am dip the thermometer in test tube. Temperature become fall down. 10 degree you can see. 9, 8. So this is endothermic reaction. This absorb heat. बेरियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और अमोनियम क्लोराइड लिया हमने, दोनों को मिक्स किया, वाटर ड्रॉप डालेंगे तो एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन देगा ये, बिकॉज हीट इज रिलीज इन दिस रिएक्शन. ओके स्टूडेंट. Now other ones exothermic reaction. We have already take zinc metal and hydrochloric acid. Check the temperature. This time temperature is 10 degree. Now dip the thermometer. Temperature become rise and goes to 40 degree. So this is exothermic reaction. 45 degree पहुंच गया है. This is exothermic reaction. Zn plus HCl, ZnCl2 plus H2. This is an example of endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Respiration is also known as exothermic reaction because heat is released. So these are the activity related to chapter first. Next time we will perform related to chapter second activities, acid, base and salt. Thank you.